do you do for fun?
I like reading books.
Do you live alone?
No, I live with my family.
Who is he?
He is my father.
What are you doing?
I am baking cake.
Where is the cow?
The cow is in the farm.
Who is she?
She is my cousin.
What do you do?
I am a student.
What did you buy?
Some fruits.
Are you happy?
Yes, I am very happy.
Why are you laughing?
Because I am happy.
Do you like snow?
Yes, I like snow.
How's the weather?
It's rainy.
Do you swim?
No, I don't.
What's for dinner?
Pizza tonight.
What are you doing?
I am reading books.
What is that?
That is a cup.
How was your day?
It was good.
Are you upset?
No, I am not.
Do you drink coffee?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you have a car?
No, I haven't.
How does it taste?
It's delicious.
What is it?
It's spaghetti.
How was the party?
It was normal.
Where are you going?
I'm going to a party.
What's on your mind?
I'm just thinking.
What are your symptoms?
I've got a headache.
What is your favorite food?
I love biryani.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I'm hungry.
What is your profession?
I'm a teacher.
Are you sick?
Yes, I'm sick.
Do you have any pets?
No, I haven't.
Who is it?
It's my sister.